Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can connect ChatGPT to our own WhatsApp account. First we will see the benefits of ChatGPT when we connect to our business account or our personal account. You have to visit OneOut.in sign up. Then we move forward. So we are introducing our new AI-based sales and support bot so that you can reduce human support and automate your business very easily. Then you can test it out by sending a WhatsApp SMS to this particular number 639-203-193-267. You can ask any question and categories. It will reply everything. So that train your chatbot. Let's dive into the website. So this is the website OneOut.in. Here you have to come WhatsApp. First you need to come on WhatsApp. First you have to click on WhatsApp. Then you have to add an account. The QR code will be generated. Just scan your WhatsApp. Then again on the left hand side, come to the WhatsApp. Then you can see chatbot option here on the left side. Click on that. Once you connected your number by scanning, then you will be seeing chatbot page. There you just need to click on chat item list. So here I will tell you how to connect your own ChatGPT. You have to simply click on this three dot, then click edit AI settings. Then simply you need to enter your API keys. How you can create API keys? Just type open AI API key. Simply click on that. Click on open API. Then it will ask for sign up or login. Simply click on that. You have to click on API. Already I have logged into my account. Click on your profile and view API keys. You can see I have created so many API keys and you can create one. Just simply click on create new secret API key. Give it a name. Then you just simply click on create secret. So it will generate you a key. Simply copy and come to the website. Paste it here. Then this is the temperature. The temperature is nothing but the accuracy, how focused you want it to be set in your. My suggestion is 0.5 is best for chatbot. Otherwise, you can set for creativity 0.6, or you can lower down till up to 0.1. So it will be more precisely. So it is. We are going to use this free 3.5 turbo. When you create a new open AI API keys, you will be given $5 free subscription, free credits. Otherwise, you can go to the paid option. See, I have this 4.24 credits remaining. This is a lot more. This is much enough for the conversations. Because it is a very cheaper. When we see the pricing plans, you can see here on the left side. See, here's the pricing. This is for ChatGPT 4 and this is for 3.5 turbo. Okay, the pricing is very much cheaper for 4K context and 16K context. So it will be charged like for input $0.003 for 1,000 tokens, 1,000 tokens. You can go for a paid plan also. It will be very helpful. It will not charge you much more every month. It will be like more than $5 to $10 only. It's very cheaper. Let me show you how it works. So once you have given the credentials, simply you just create a new chatbot by clicking on the plus icon on the top right. Then you need to just enable the status, and it is not match default response. You have to match the keywords. Then you should be select no. If you want to respond something else by ChatGPT, then you can click on yes. If you select no also, ChatGPT will try to help on the particular focused word. Okay, and this is like individual or group. It will be like sending to WhatsApp groups or individual also, or you can select both. And this is message contains the keyword and message contains the whole keyword. That means if you are giving a keyword, for example, hello. Okay, this is a keyword where if anyone going to type hello, if you select this one, if anyone typing hello, then only it will reply. If you are clicking this one, if anyone is typing hello boss, how are you, then also it will reply. After that, I'll be giving a name. Anything you can give, like test. Description also you can give anything. Keywords you can give as much as you want. Okay, anything by number also, whatever you want you can give. The next bot action, here you can give anything. The next action with the ChatGPT. Here I'm giving empty, nothing. There is no problem. Then presence delay. You can set 1, 2, 3, maximum 25. Anything you can give between 25. So I'll be giving 3 to 5 delay response. If someone typing, you can disable the status, or you can show by typing or recording. So it will show according to that. So I will just click on typing. Then you can give any picture if you want to send with them by uploading from here, or you can just select these two options. If you want to use a normal chatbot with your keywords and with your content, then you can select it here. If you want to use the ChatGPT AI, then you have to select here, because we are going to see how we can use the ChatGPT AI. So you have to select this one. Here you can train your ChatGPT by typing anything, whatever your details, the complete company details. Just simply type in your complete text. Maybe it's 1,000 words, 2,000 words, anything. You just put it here so that the AI will know what it has to reply to the customers. And these are some spin tags. You can use it on your chat. If you want, you can simply copy and paste it. So it will send randomly hi, hello, everything. If you want to use the customer name, you have to put this tag. So it will take the customer name and will reply with the customer name. So after doing all this, you have to click on submit. That's it. Then you will be created a chatbot instantly. After that, you just have to click here to start the chatbot. Actually now it is running mode. Again, if you click here, it will be stopped. Then again, if you click here, it will get started. Let's see how it is working. So this is the number I'm going to copy, pasting here. I've just sent hi to that. See the reply has come. Hello, how may I assist you? This is how it works. If you want to know more about this, you can WhatsApp me. My number is given in the description. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.